Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to set up a telescopic drainage frame. First, it is crucial to prepare your site properly. Start by thoroughly clearing the trench of any debris, ensuring a clean working area. Next, confirm that the trench base is perfectly level and well compacted. This provides a stable foundation for your frame. Finally, carefully position the telescopic frame into the trench opening, making sure its orientation aligns with the desired water flow. This initial preparation is key for a successful installation. Once the frame is in place, the next step involves precise adjustment and securing. Gently extend the telescopic sections until they perfectly match the width of your trench. It is vital to use a spirit level at this stage, ensuring the entire frame is perfectly horizontal across its length and width. After achieving the correct level, firmly tighten all locking mechanisms to secure the frame's adjusted position. Double-check for a snug fit against the trench walls, preventing any unwanted movement during the backfilling process. Once your Quest 3 is successfully linked to your PC, launch the Roblox application on your computer. It's important to select a Roblox experience that specifically supports virtual reality mode for the best immersion. Ensure your headset is active and recognized within your PC VR environment. Some games might require you to enable a dedicated VR setting within their in-game menus before you can fully jump into the virtual world. To ensure the longevity and optimal performance of your telescopic drainage frame, regular maintenance is essential. Periodically inspect the frame for any signs of damage, such as cracks or loose components, and address them promptly. Crucially, clear any debris, leaves, or sediment from the grates to maintain optimal drainage performance and prevent blockages. Also, check the surrounding ground for any settlement or erosion that might compromise the frame's stability. Consistent care will ensure your drainage system functions effectively for many years.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.